All right, I'm going to go ahead and open up this mini espresso coffee maker. To me, this reminds me of my AeroPress that I have, which I love very much. So it'll be interesting to compare. Now, it does say in here that it's suitable for Nespresso and Dolce Gusto and coffee powder. So it looks like you can put capsules in here too, which is pretty cool. And that's something that I can't do with my AeroPress. So I don't have those capsules, so it doesn't really matter to me, but it might matter to you. So, all right. So I'm going to open this up now. Here, it looks like it'll just slide out. Whoops. Okay, there's parts everywhere. All right, and I think that's everything. So I don't see. Okay, there are instructions here. So here are the instructions. It looks like it's a plunger type thing, so very similar to the AeroPress possibly. Okay. That's probably the top, I guess. That might be where it comes out. Let's see here. Oh, it feels heavy, feels sturdy. That's a good thing. All right, so here's the plunger. This is it. Should probably read the instructions. But, just for now, well, it's hard to do with one hand. Okay, I'm going to take this apart. I'm going to start the camera and take this apart. All right, wow. So I'm kind of impressed so far. So this is this is a thick plastic, but this is the espresso cup that it goes into. It looks like this is next. Probably gonna mess this all up, but looks like everything channels down through here. Yep, and you can see that's where the, actually, is there any holes in that? Oh yeah, there are little holes in there. Okay, wow. So this actually might come pretty similar to espresso, as much as you can with a hand pump thing. Yeah, so not sure what part goes next. I think it was, oh well. Anyways, is that, nope. I don't know. But anyways, it's a pretty cool looking piece of equipment, and I will play with it, but at least you know what it looks like. I am impressed with the heaviness. The overall feels like pretty good quality, feels durable. You got a little scoop there. Okay, there's the filter. Okay, so that means it goes here. All right. Oh no, this must be the, I don't know. Anyways, yeah. Oh, it's probably actually the other way around. No, I don't know. Anyways, so I'll play around with it. I'll actually read the instructions before I start, and then I will write about it in my review. So thanks for watching the unboxing.
Hey there, folks, coming at you with a product review on the portable espresso maker. So, it's pretty simplistic design, good design, and when you have the right type of coffee or espresso or beans, this actually makes a pretty darn good cup of espresso. So, I'm very pleased. I love espresso, and I never knew they had something like this, little travel type, but super easy to assemble and clean. Took me a little bit to figure out the instructions because I'm not exactly the brightest bulb, but good quality. And actually, I want to get the cups that they have. There's two things that you can do here. You can use these like ready-made, like almost like a Krups, you know, a little cup that you can put in there, and then you can also use coarse coffee grounds. Has to be coarse. Don't use fine. Has to be coarse. But it's really pretty simple. Once you figure out the assembly, and you just put the water in here, then you put the plunger in, and you just create your own little espresso. And then this bottom comes off. I only have one hand, so that bottom comes off, and your espresso is good to go. So pretty cool little system, nice design, works well, and that's it.